God, I think we're losing him. Start administering CPR.
But Chief, I'll tamper with evidence.
Right you are. This is a dead man.
Yeah,
We couldn't have done anything about it.
it is.
He's been dead for an hour.
Stop being so insensitive. We just lost, man. And by the way, I figured out the murder on the Orient Express, so I think we know what we're doing. Go back to class, kid.
We were the ones who found the body. Don't you need us?
Is that some kind of a confession, young man? Because I'm not seeing many realistic suspects.
What about this guy? No one knows who he is, we don't know why he's here, and he's blood on his shoes.
The man clearly just dropped ketchup on his shoe from his hot dog. Looks like he's trying to cover up for someone's murder.
Why don't you just let us do our jobs and go back to class? That guy outside seemed really suspicious. Cian seems to think it's those kids, but I don't know. I have a bad feeling about him.
Man, that cereal is pretty nice. What's for dinner? Oh, chicken.
Oh, he's definitely on the same page. Well, what do you think? Any ideas on who did it?
Rookie, but a lot to learn. I feel like some meddling kids.
I don't know, that guy outside looked fairly sketchy.
I look like a straight shooter to me.
Is that him actually there?
Oh, it is. He's grand, just clean the closet.
Fair play to him. Oh, these kids again.
We have undeniable proof that the guy outside done it. Here's the CCTV footage that he killed Ronan.
We'll have a look at that.
And his blood is still on him too.
This is clearly fake footage. Nowadays it's so easy to make fake CCTV footage. Like, stop wasting our time.
Stop wasting our time.
We know you're the killer, even though those detectives don't believe us.
Go to hell!
So sorry for the inconvenience, sir. You seem to have dropped your box of cereal there. Same cereal as on the scene of the crime.
That's my favourite cereal.
Me too. Sorry again, sir.
No problem.
Cheerio.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this thrilling encounter between St. Pat's United and Dunshaughlin. My name is Louis Collins. I'm joined by Mr. Adam Niven. How are you, Adam?
Hello, sir. How are you doing? Aye, should be a great game. Let's go through the lineup, shall we?
So, two fantastic teams on display here today, but I believe that the man between the sticks, Killian Cahill, will lead his team to victory today. He is a very vocal goalkeeper and a great shot stopper. Cracking keeper, in my opinion.
Aye, fantastic player. And looking at the opposite end of the spectrum, I think we own Donegan. He could be a threat to Pats if he can keep his head and keep it calm, eh?
Yeah, I agree. Here come the teams emerging from the tunnel, both eager to be victorious. And it's live.
Referee calling in the captains. There's Podge McKeever, captain, fantastic for Dunshaughlin.
And Mr. Evan James, new captain for St. Pat's FC. Let's see if he can prove his point here. And we are on the way here.
Corner for Dunshaughlin. Owen Donegan!
What a goal!
The
What
opener.
a goal! Mr. Wright is furious. Oshie McAvoy, top corner!
Great finish.
Pick it out.
What a save from Killian Cahill.
Podge McKeever on the wing, and he whips it in. Oh, calamity at the back, Mr. Wright. Well, that was a crazy half. Dunshaughlin on full control there, Adam.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. I wouldn't like to be in that dressing room at half time.
That is true.
Right, lads. There's not a lot I can do for you. That half we were blown away. They're a good side there now we're facing tonight, and they think they have it in the bag. It's about respect. And the only way to get respect against these beating them. The first half we were sloppy, lazy and slow. And that ends now. If someone's walking, if someone's not pulling their weight, get into their ear. There's no passengers on this team. We're all a unit. And we move together as a unit. Do some justice to the performance earlier in the year. And to the people who came to this game today. Now get out there and show these how we doing in Pats.
So here comes the two teams again, Dunshaughlin and St. Pat's.
Looking right filled up out of the dressing room. St. Pat's are ready to go. Paddy Wright. Look at that man.
Definitely has some few words with them
Beautiful,
lads.
beautiful.
Here we go, going the way
Second
again.
half underway.
And he's through on goal, McBride. Oh, it's a penalty! What is the defender thinking? He looks really hurt here, Adam. Don't know if he can play on.
Could be bad.
Could be a card here. It's a red! I'm going to go down to the touchline here. Zachary's going to tell us about the injury.
Alright mate, yeah, I was just up beside the location of the situation. He did get a bit of a didgeridoo in the ankle, but if he's anything of a man, he'll be alright to continue, I guess. Bit of a wuss sport if you ask me. I mean, I don't know what he's doing, a bit of a fanny.
Alright, thanks for the updates there, Zach. And Hugo Fitzgerald steps up to take this.
Mate, no! Hey, put me back on the camera! Oi!
And it's back into the roof of the net! 3-1, game on! Fitzpatrick on the wing here. Whips it in.
McBride finds himself through on goal.
Round the keeper. 3-2.
Lays it back. Fitzpatrick! It's 3-0! Incredible scenes!
What a goal!
Oh, what a finish, son!
Oshie McAvoy whips it in. And poor McKeever dragged down by Evan James. Surely it's a penalty. What's the ref going to do? He points to this spot. Oh, stone wall in my opinion there.
And Captain Fantastic could win it here. Podge.
Oh, what a save by Killian Cahill. And they go up the pitch. He gives that to Aidan McBride on the right hand side. Can he find the player? He finds Aidan Fitzpatrick. Aidan gets it out of his feet. Can he find the player? Oh, he finds Hugo! I don't believe
It's offside!
What? What?
Offside! What? That's offside, I said!
It's going to VAR! It's going to VAR! Oh, the players are
It's
furious.
offside. Oh no, it's VAR. It's not offside, it's VAR. What's going on? Somebody tell us.
Somebody.
Referee, VAR.
That's a goal! That's a goal! Incredible comeback! Oh my...
Could be all but over here. McKeever,
Whistle
back
on
to
the
Smith.
mouth.
It's over! It's finished! The whistle's gone! It's all over!
Well, ladies and gentlemen, what a thrilling game, wasn't it, Adam?
Oh, it's that game.
Sums it all up, really. Good night, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Everyone listen up. Right. How much? How much?
We've only $29 million, boss.
29 million. We're $1 million short. Where is it?
Don't know.
Where is the money?
Imagine if you had €1 million. What would you do with it by?
Do you want me to pick like an activity or anything?
Anything, like, I don't mind.
I don't know, like skydiving.
Fine. I can send you skydiving to get you a little parachute and everything. Where do you want to live?
Like a mansion, like right there.
What, like on the football pitch?
No, not on the football pitch, but like, you know, like a big space like that.
Oh yeah, be class, man. We
Wouldn't
have a
it?
little butler and all running
Ah,
around.
that'd be class.
Little bite.
Boys! €1 million!
No
I
way,
swear to
man.
God! I swear to God, man!
Where'd you get that
Look at
from?
this! Look at this! I swear to God! Open it!
Oh!
Where'd you get that?
I just picked up somewhere. I
Found it, like.
I found it, yeah. I just found it.
No way, boy. That's
where'd you find it?
unbelievable.
Where'd you
It's in
find
some
it?
warehouse. In some warehouse.
Jesus. €1 million. We were just talking about having €1 million.
Yeah,
No way!
Yeah.
This is just savage. Here, boys, will you wind it for me?
Yeah,
Wind it
no
for me,
bother,
right? Dead
no
on,
bother,
dead
no
on, dead on. See you, lads. See you.
bother.
Look.
Good luck now, boy. This is unbelievable.
€1 million.
Yes.
$1 million. 1 million. That's one.
Sir, you might want to take a look at this. Look at this.
What is it?
Footage. I want this man found.
Yes, boss.
Along with the money.
Yes, boss.
Vito. Let's go.
How are you going to find this guy?
Don't know where to start.
That's our man.
We got him. Did you search him? Yeah, I found this. Dearmo. Who's Dearmo? Speak! We have your friend.
What? Speak up, boy.
We have your friend!
What friend?
Sure, what other friend do you
I
have?
don't know.
Meet me at 3rd Alley on the main street, second door on the right.
Guys, we have your friend here. Where's my money?
We don't have it.
What are you gonna do about it?
This is so stupid.
Stop being scared, there's nothing to worry about.
I'm missing football training for this. I better be killed by some Emoji Man.
Oh my wa shindu. Oh my wa shindu. Oh my wa shindu. See, I told you there's nothing to be scared of. It doesn't even work.
No!
Four teenagers found dead in the woods. 2 of them were dead by stabbing, 2 were dead by blunt trauma, and another one's missing. We don't know what happened.
Jesus.
Hey Sergeant, we found the witness here. Might have something to say about what happened.
Sit down, son. We might have a lead here.
Aye, aye.
Oh, let's go, let's go. Go, go, go! Go, 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 go.
He's down at the old warehouse. Come on.